The perception of colors can vary from person to person due to a combination of physiological and psychological factors. Here are a few reasons why we may perceive the same colors differently. Biological differences. The human eye contains specialized cells called cones that are responsible for detecting and processing different colors. There are 3 types of cones: red, green, and blue. Variations in the number, sensitivity, or functioning of these cones can affect color perception. For example, some individuals may have a condition called color blindness, where one or more types of cones are absent or not functioning properly, leading to a reduced ability to distinguish certain colors. Cultural and linguistic influences. Language and culture can shape our perception of colors. Different cultures may have distinct color categories and associations, influencing how individuals perceive and interpret colors. For example, some languages may have fewer color terms, leading to different perceptions and descriptions of colors compared to languages with a broader color vocabulary. Individual variations in perception. Even among individuals with normal color vision, there can be variations in color perception. Factors such as age, gender, and personal experiences can influence how we perceive colors. Additionally, factors like lighting conditions, background colors, and surrounding objects can create visual context, altering our perception of a specific color. Lighting conditions. The lighting environment can significantly impact color perception. Colors can appear different under various lighting conditions, such as natural daylight, incandescent lighting, fluorescent lighting, or computer screens. The color temperature, intensity, and quality of light sources can affect how colors are perceived. Subjective interpretation. Perception is a subjective experience influenced by personal preferences, memories, and emotions. Our individual interpretations and associations with colors can vary, leading to differences in how we perceive and describe them. It's important to note that while there may be variations in how we perceive colors, there are standard color models and systems in place to provide a consistent and universal way of communicating and working with colors, such as the RGB, red, green, blue, and CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black color models used in digital and print media.